At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. This is Shabuddin. Are you looking for a make money Shopify website or a Shopify dropshipping store? I am here to facilitate you with my best experience in Shopify website design. I can help you to design and develop a starting, modern, and converting Shopify website or help you with Shopify website redesign. I will work as your Shopify developer to make your store from zero to start and ready to make sales on the Shopify store for you. I use modern techniques to convert your Shopify store into a profitable business. What you are offering, like premium design, brand logo, glass cover, automated dropshipping, trending products, on-page SEO, product description, marketing guideline, Google Analytics setup, Google Tech Manager setup, Facebook conversion API, Facebook pixel setup, social media integration, Shopify payment method and much more. My offer is a complete solution of your e-commerce Shopify business. Join me here today and take your business to the next level. Thank you so much.